says, I don't care. Oh. Oh. She says, I'm going to get it. She says, I can outweigh him. She says, I got one here. She's like, I got it. Come here. Come play with me. She says, I got one. She don't ever let go, does she? Oh, she was peeing, I think. She's like, I gotta go. Oops, there we go. Oh, look at that. She's fast. She's quiet and calm on the grip, though. Got a nice deep grip. She's like, I ain't going nowhere. All right, come on. Come on. Oh, you gonna let me lift you? Oh, she says I lost it. Oh, he let me. A little bit more. Oh, she got it. I didn't mean to let him get it yet. She's pulling too. Oh, you got me. You got me. Oh no. Oh, she got a deeper grip. That was nice. I didn't have a good enough one, Mom. Oh, I got it though. They're pretty evenly matched, I think. Oh, she's gonna get a better grip, she says. Oh, yeah. How much can I get in there? She's got good nerve. She's just like, I'm gonna wait you out.